Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to turn off your airdrops on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is open your phone and make sure that you are up in the settings part. So you just need to go click the settings to open it, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found general here, and then you just need to go click it. And whenever you're done, there will be a lot of options that you can set here. Since we want to set an airdrop, you just need to find the airdrop on the general settings, and then whenever you find it, you just need to click it to open it. To disabling or to turn off the airdrop on your iPhone, you just need to go click this receiving off, so there will be no one's gonna find your airdrops. Whenever you're done, you just need to go back. Whenever you want to receive several files, you just need to go back into the airdrop, and you can just go click everyone for 10 minutes. So in the 10 minutes, everyone can access your airdrop. So that's the way how to disabling the airdrop or to turn off the airdrop on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find out this tutorial today is really got you so well.